Hey, good evening, everyone. Hope everyone had a good weekend. So the first thing we check is if there are any buy signals or sell signals. There is a buy signal for crude oil. We already entered. We took the profits because it already moved so much high. We have to. We should not take the trade here because it already came down, then bounced all the way to the top. So for NQ, the strength is very less. So now, if you don't have any other signals, then you look for where the momentum is very strong. So here momentum is strong, but strength is not there. Momentum strong, strength is not there. GC is where you have less momentum. Strength is a little bit drop here. That's short on GC. The overall momentum is very bearish. Strength is very strong. That means sellers are very, very strong. So bearish ticker, you got a rally. Then again, sellers are pushing it down. So here it is below magnetic level. RSI is very weak. That means sellers are strong, above below 50. And strength is very strong. That means sellers are very, very strong here. So that's why we got a rally. Whenever it is a bearish ticker, if you get a rally, and then you saw that sell a red candle forming, so we took the sell signal, took the profits. So do you think natural gas is a good opportunity? And these are the tickers. Generally, they move well in the evening time in the Asia market. ES, MQ, NKD, copper, GC, silver, crude oil, natural gas. Do you think we can go long on natural gas, or you can put the comments? Natural gas is above magnetic level and also momentum is good. Strength is still less than 20, but because evening time the wall strength will be little less. That's why indicator is telling it is okay to and on a bullish ticker you got a pullback, right? It is, if you see, it is one of the most bullish ticker today. And you got a pullback on the bullish ticker. Right? I shared the three pictures, right? You remember those three pictures. Whenever it is a bullish ticker, you want to buy on a drop. You want to buy on a dip. Whenever it is a bearish ticker, you want price to go up and then you want to take the sell signal. So because it is a bullish ticker, you got a drop. Generally, it's a good opportunity. So we can go and take a long opportunity. We can buy on this one. I kept a limit buy order on natural gas. NQ also, if strength goes up a little bit, we can add. We can take long positions. NQ also is okay, but crude oil, because it already moved so much, you don't want to buy at the top, because if you, so earlier we got a pull, right? It went up here and then there was a pullback. Then once it started moving up, we took the long, we took the profits earlier. Now it is again at the top. You don't want to enter when it already moved so much high. You want to again wait for a pullback to go long on crude oil. I took a longer natural gas now because it's a good opportunity. I took three contracts because there is a high possibility it will try to go back to the somewhere around this 2.995. So we took short on GC, we took the profits. Now we took long on natural gas. GC short, we already booked the profits. If you did not book the profits, you can have stop loss at 36.71. But overall, it is bearish. GC is bearish. There can be more drop overnight. It's clear, right? This is like our buy signal. Whenever you get that triangle from T5, that is like our buy signal. You got a pullback, and then we got a buy signal here, we got a buy signal here. Because there is a pullback, it's a bullish ticker, we entered long. Yeah, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, I have a question on the GC, right?
Mm-hmm.
So GC, 3 minutes, it gave a triangle as well, right? So can we land the triangle because for a buy? Uh,
No, always look like your momentum is bearish and strength is very strong. So don't go for long opportunities. It is not in a choppy, right? If the strength is only 20, that means it is choppy. But if the strength is very high, that means sellers are in control. So better you don't take the buy opportunities.
we can take a shot right now.
Don't even wait. If you get a red triangle, you can take a shot.
Okay,
But
right.
as of now, you have green triangle. So again, if it starts dropping, then we can enter a shot.
Yeah, but we don't
But
get a red triangle at the bottom, right? Or do we?
we will get the red triangle, right? But generally, whenever you have a pull, right here, you got a red triangle. That's a nice opportunity. There
There's
was a
an
huge drop.
okay. Mhm.
Order filled.
Should have a right. All we need to look is confluence. When the confluence is good, that means if think this one is one indicator, this is one indicator, this is one indicator, this is one indicator, right? And then T5 is your another indicator. So you have like for crude oil, you have one, two, three, four, and also so this one. So that means five buy signals. So whenever there is a pullback, You have very good confidence with crude oil. Natural gas, nearly this is green, this is green, this is green. This one is also close to 20. And your T5 is also green. That means nearly 4 out of 5 are telling it will go up. Whereas for GC, this is weight. This is below magnetic area. The momentum is still bearish. The strength of sellers is strong. So it is little risky. It can go up, it can go down suddenly. So better wherever you have low risk, you look for those up. If everything is green, that is the best one to go long. The second best is this one. The third best is this one.
The crude oil was already at the top, right? That's what you're thinking.
Right, right, yeah. But we already entered when it was somewhere at the bottom. We took and we took the profits. But yeah, now we don't enter. If there is a pullback, we can enter. If there is a pullback, and again, if it starts going up, so it started here, went up, got a pullback, went up, got a pullback, went up, got a pullback. So if you miss the initial opportunities,
So observing GC is slowly turning into green, right? Like it is still saying RSI 51, and then strength is 35.
yeah, but when it is close to magnetic level, it can become bullish, it can become bearish. So your risk is high.
Oh, okay.
If you are far away right now, it is R4 or this is R3. This is R3. That means it is far from the magnetic area. Whereas here it is at S1. That means very close to the magnetic area. Suddenly it can, that means there is liquidity at the magnetic area. So suddenly it can go and try to grab the liquidity.
So silver is a better opportunity for a long.
Right. Yeah. Compared to GC, silver is more bullish. If you get a pullback and then if you see a green candle, then we can go long on silver. So always instead of waiting for taking a here itself, generally if it comes touch this T5 and it starts going up, that is much low risk opportunity. You want price to retest the support. You know it comes and touch this come little bit down and starts going up, then we can go long on silver.
Evening, we are not seeing any price pulse, right? Like the buy order block and all.
Yeah, mainly we look price pulse for options. Yeah, evening time because it will be very less volume. There won't be much orders. NQ is looking little better now. You got a buy signal. This is green. This is green. This is green. So if you want, you can take long on NQ.
Order filled.
Yeah, GC is looking bearish. Right, again you got a rally. If it drops below this P5 line, you can enter shorts again. As of now, this is green. We want to this become red. So as of now, we have long on natural gas and also long on NQ. Silver and GC buyers are trying, but Intel is still. So I'll take long on silver. Because it is above magnetic line. The strength is good, momentum is good. We have natural gas long, NQ long, and silver long. We have NQ long, natural gas long, silver long. You also take long on GC. So we have long on GC, silver, NQ and NKD now. 12 book profits at around 36, 72.9. I kept a limit sell order. And 200 plus on GC. If we get a pullback, we can enter one more time. So here also we got a buy signal. Here we got a buy signal. Here also this became green. This became green. We are still holding NQ long, natural gas long, and silver long now. We took profits on NQ. We're still holding natural gas. Natural gas made we'll put profits on natural gas also. Again, right, if somebody want to hold it, they can hold. It has more potential. But right, we don't want to. So all we need is 1 hour every day to make $400 in each prop account during this time. So I took profits on silver long, another $150. GC move nicely. Thank you, move nicely. We're just holding natural gas now. We took profits on silver, gold, NQ. We already took profits on crude oil. Yeah, please go ahead. Do you have any questions?
Kishore, quick question on evaluation account on FX trading. Is that right? 3,000 profit has to be made on one single day?
No, there is nothing like that. You can take as much time as you want. But if you make in one day, immediately you'll get a pro account. But it is not that you have to make within one day.
Okay,
Every day you can make 500, 600 like that, and you can complete.
got it. Thank you.
Yeah, but do you have any other questions? Mm, No, I took profits on natural gas also. Right. Just we followed wherever we this magnetic line above daily level, RSI is strong. We went ahead, but even the strength is not above 20 because generally evening time volumes will be less, so strength may not be huge. Wherever strength is good, that is much better. But even strength is little close to 20, that is also okay as long as others are green. So NKD also went up, but we did not take NKD because if you have too many positions, sometimes it gets difficult to manage them. But we took silver long, crude oil long, natural gas long, NQ long, everything more good. So that's it. We made more than $500 in less than 1 hour. Right? Even before 7 to 7:30, we made another $400, 200, 400 to 400. Anyone has any questions before we close? Do you see the value? Like if you follow a strategy, if you follow a system, right? If you have 5 accounts or 10 accounts, or even if you take a personal account, whatever it is, you can make that 400, $500 every day during this time. Yeah, you can do in personal or you can do. Yeah, Sachin, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi Kishore. On the future scan, what do you call this one? Sorry. MTF future scan. The chart which I see is different than what you see on the screen. So here you see symbol, decision level, RSI. But
Yeah, you
I,
have to go and you can edit whichever columns you want. You have all the settings here.
oh, okay.
You can select whichever tickers you want, or you can click on the here and you can change the tickers.
And also when I try to add more tickers, so it goes off and then I have to log out and then
Yeah,
log
based on your trading view plan, if you have a pro plan, it will allow you more tickers. If you have a premium or essential plan, it will only enable 5 tickers. So you can uncheck and you can add the indicator one more time. You have 5 tickers here, add the indicator and edit another 5 tickers. It's and put one more table at the bottom like that.
in. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, sure. Let me try. Thank you.
Yeah, Manoj, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore Garu. What are the top three indicators that you would suggest?
Again, depending on if you are stocks trader, options trader, SPX trader, or a prop firm. If you are a prop firm trader, then this MTF future scan T5 and then futures level manager. These are the top three if you want to trade mainly prop firms.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking for prop firms. Okay.
Yeah, those are the best three for futures and for prop firms. If you are more of SPX trader, then you have SPX Iron Fly or SPX Credit Spreads, SPX Tag and Turn, SPX Bid and Break, like that. If you are more of a stocks trader, then you have Stocks Level Manager, you have Stocks Scan, those the price pulse, those are good for stocks or for options. Like,
Okay.
yeah. So anyone has any questions? So consistently, right? More than 9 out of 10 times every day between 8 to 9, we are making this 400, 500, just following the simple strategy. We are looking, right? Trade that every, right, for long opportunities. If it is green, 1 point. If this is green, 1 point. If this is green, 1 point. If you have a buy, 1 point. If you have a green, 1 point, like that. So if you have 4 or 5 points, you can confidently take long. In the same way, if you have sell, if this is red, but this should be green. Then we'll focus on short opportunities for such type of techniques. That's it, everyone. We'll continue tomorrow morning again. Yeah, Manish, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So when we do the trade in the trading view, can we see that how much we made the profit or loss in the trading view, or we have to go to the Apex and see that?
No, if you just click here, you can see. You click on the tab, and then you will see how much you made of those things.
Oh, on the Tradovet?
Right.
Okay, let me see just 1 sec. Okay, so it's 150K saying like 154.15. So that's what thy profit made, right?
Right, yeah.
So it don't say by the symbol.
No, if the positions are open, then it will tell by symbols.
Okay, once you sold out, then it will just say the total amount.
Right, that is right, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kishore.
Sure. Yeah, early morning sessions will be difficult because first week and a lot of regions will be there for them, and also you will have some reports at 7:30. So if you take some trades and your trades are open, then suddenly if the report comes, suddenly market can go up and down. So less risky this time because this is a good time for Pacific, for Central, for Eastern. Everybody can join the, and if you make $500 in one account, you don't need to even worry about mornings or during market time, right? Because you can scale up, you can multiply as much as you want. Once you gain the confidence, you can go with 5 accounts, 10 accounts, 20 accounts, and whatever you do in evaluation, repeat the same thing in the pro accounts. That's it. If you can make 1,000, 2,000 every day, that is more than enough. Yeah, because morning sessions, right, for Pacific, it will be too early. And also, yeah, because mainly because of the reports. If you have reports at 7, most of the days you will have some or other payroll reports, ADP reports, or so if you take a trade and you cannot close before 7:30, then that will be a risk. Bye, everyone. Good night and talk to you tomorrow morning.